Every map has blank spaces. These are what they're hiding. The coordinates exist on every map, yet the government pretends otherwise, leading us to question what really lies beyond the boundaries of our known world. As we delve into the unknown, we find ourselves on a journey to 5 islands where entire towns were forcibly evacuated, each with its own dark history and unsettling narrative. Location 1. On the remote island of Hashima, located off the coast of Japan at 32.6333 degrees north, 129.7333 degrees east, we find a former mining town that was once home to over 5,000 people. The town was forcibly evacuated in 1974 due to the decline of the coal mining industry, leaving behind a ghost town with crumbling concrete buildings and a haunting atmosphere. The remains of the town's hospital, school, and homes stand as a testament to the lives that were once lived there, now a mere shadow of a thriving community that was abandoned overnight. Location 2. On the continent of Africa, in the Gulf of Guinea, lies the island of Fernando de Noronha, Brazil, at 3.85 degrees south, 32.45 degrees west. This island was once a penal colony, and in 1957, the entire population was forcibly evacuated due to the construction of a military base. The island's dark history is marked by reports of prisoner executions, torture, and unexplained disappearances, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions and eerie silence. The island's stunning natural beauty belies its troubled past, a past that continues to haunt the island to this day. Location 3. In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, on the island of Runit, part of the Inuitak Atoll in the Marshall Islands, at 11.55 degrees north, 162.35 degrees east, we find a location that is both haunting and disturbing. The island was the site of nuclear testing in the 1940s and 1950s, leading to the forced evacuation of the indigenous population. The tests left behind a toxic legacy, with radioactive contamination still present today, and the island's eerie landscape serves as a reminder of the devastating consequences of humanity's destructive power. Location 4. On the continent of Europe, in the North Sea, lies the island of Heligoland, Germany, at 54.1833 degrees north, 7.8833 degrees east. This island was once a popular tourist destination, but in 1945, the British military forcibly evacuated the entire population, citing the need to conduct bombing practice. The island was subsequently bombed, leaving behind a scarred landscape and a population that was never allowed to return. The incident remains a dark stain on the island's history, a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of war and the unpredictable nature of human conflict. Location 5. In the frozen vastness of Antarctica, on the island of Kerguelen, at 49.35 degrees south, 69.1667 degrees east, we find a location that is as isolated as it is terrifying. The island was once home to a small settlement of scientists and researchers, but in 1952, the entire population was forcibly evacuated due to a series of unexplained incidents, including the disappearance of several team members. The island's remote location and harsh climate make it one of the most inaccessible places on Earth, and the circumstances surrounding the evacuation remain shrouded in mystery, leaving behind a sense of unease and uneasiness that lingers to this day. These places exist. You just weren't supposed to know about them. The map has more blank spaces than they admit. A like means we keep exploring.